Welcome to Crypto Horizon. In today's video, we're diving into how you can earn with the MEXC referral code, specifically using the referral code 12K4M5. Whether you're a seasoned trader or a newcomer to the crypto world, this code can unlock exciting opportunities for you. So, what exactly is MEXC? MEXC is a leading global cryptocurrency exchange that offers a wide range of trading services, allowing you to buy, sell, and trade various cryptocurrencies seamlessly. By using the referral code 12K4M5, you gain access to exclusive benefits that can enhance your trading experience. When you sign up on MEXC using the referral code 12K4M5, you not only show your support for our channel, but also unlock special rewards, including reduced trading fees and bonuses on your initial deposits. This means that from the very beginning of your trading journey, you can save money and increase your potential profits. But the benefits don't stop there. Once you start trading on MEXC with the referral code, you can also earn from additional features like staking, spot trading, and futures trading. MEXC offers a robust platform where you can explore various investment strategies, and with the referral code, you can take advantage of heightened earning potential. Another fantastic aspect of using the MEXC referral code 12K4M5 is the opportunity to earn referral bonuses yourself. By sharing your unique referral link with friends and family, you can earn rewards every time they trade on MEXC. This not only helps grow the crypto community, but also allows you to benefit financially from your network. To summarize, using the MEXC referral code 12K4M5 is a smart way to enhance your trading experience. By signing up with this code, you will enjoy reduced fees and bonuses, while also opening up avenues for additional earnings through staking and referrals. So don't wait any longer. Join the MEXC platform today. Use the referral code 12K4M5 and start your journey towards earning in the exciting world of cryptocurrency. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe to Crypto Horizon for more tips and insights into the crypto world.